Bite you back. Now his bite is real light now.
I wonder if that was the one that bit you.
Oh, I don't know. Oh. Cut it out with that cuteness. Or maybe I can just go to Ace Hardware and find one. Maybe I'll just do that.
They are so cute, aren't they?
Yeah. Just like Maggie.
Aw, look at that one loving you, Dave.
We'll come back for more. Somebody farted. Somebody farted. Get in on that. Is that goose thing you ever saw?
Their hair is so cute.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you. Marissa's sister.
Mhm. I'm listening.
No, I learned. Remind me to tell you.
You're ripping my bro here. Yeah.
That is so cute, Dave.
They'll do this the rest of their lives. Okay, go ahead, come out fighting. You know what?
What?
This one is going to be heartbroken. Oh, there's a few little kids.
I know, it's like he knows he's leaving, I think. He's so cute.
Well, I'm just saying, but he'll switch over in no time.
I guess he's hungry. Oh, that's funny.
I hope so, honey. I hope so, honey.